Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Simplified Website Queen, and on today's video, I'm going to show you 6 legitimate websites that will help you make money online. So if you're a new business owner and you just quit your job, you're sitting there thinking, how the heck am I going to make money? Chances are you don't want to go back into an office or have a part-time job, but you know you need some kind of income. That's why I found 6 websites that are legitimate and will pay you serious money to test other people's websites. Now, it can also be beneficial to your company because you can see what you like and don't like in other companies. So let's jump in and get started. The first one I want to tell you about is user testing. It's my favorite and I've made the most money off of it. I make about $70 to $100 a day on it just by testing websites and talking with developers. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $15 for just 20 minutes of your time. That's not too bad at all. To become a tester, you just need to submit your email and apply. Before you get any real assignments, you have to take a sample test, but it goes quick and it gets you familiar with the platform. One of the great things about this website is it's open to both US and international residents, but you also have to have a PayPal account for you to get paid. So right now, I'm in the user testing screen, and I don't have any available tests, but I just wanted to show you my account since yesterday. I have $70 in a pending payment, which is incredible, and all I did was talk to developers. Now, you might wonder why I have a 3-star review. That's because one of them didn't show up to a test. I had an in-person Zoom session for 60 minutes and it was canceled, so it gets deducted. But if you just message the help center, they'll change that, so it's in revision right now. The next one I want to talk to you about is Enroll. It's a design and development agency. The great thing about Enroll is that you can take the test on almost any device, including a phone, tablet, or desktop. It's your preference. It's similar to user testing. You just need to make a PayPal account if you want to get paid. Jobs and payment vary by time. Shorter tests pay less, which makes sense. They will ask you questions, and that will go towards your testing. So as you can see, I don't have any tests available right now, but I have questions that they ask so I could get qualified for a test. I have 1 badge and 26 points. I've only done 1 test for them so far. It's very easy. It's very similar to user testing, but I highly recommend it. The next one I want to show you is TryMyUI. You make $10 for 15 minutes of your time, which again isn't shabby. However, you need to pass the qualification test. The qualification test is simply a sample test that proves you understand the process and different requirements. If you pass that, you're golden. Once you qualify, you are sent different test opportunities in your emails, and payments are made bi-weekly via PayPal. So again, I don't have any tests available right now. I did one this morning. So I also have to download this new desktop recorder. As you can see in this upper right hand corner, there are things that you have to download so it can record your microphone and your screen. It's worth it for $10 to $15. You can delete it if you don't like it after. The next one I want to talk about is Validiately. Validiately offers tests in different ways. There's 5-minute tests that will pay you $5, but they also offer live tests. So I have just created my account for this one. I already did the sample, so I'm waiting to get approved. I just want to show you, you fill out your profile details, where you're from, the country you're living in, your education level, full-time employment status, part-time, it doesn't really matter, you can choose. They're looking for all different levels of employment, your industry, your job title, your annual income, and what devices you have. The live tests are where you speak via phone and share a screen with moderator. These pay a minimum of $25 for 30 minutes of your time. You get paid within 5 business days of completing the tests. Again, not bad at all. The next one I want to talk about is this one I found called Test.io. Test.io, you find bugs on websites. I'm still in the processing stages of the onboarding test, so I think it's 3 bugs that I need to find on the websites, and then I will be a certified tester. This is paid in pounds, but right now the pound isn't doing too bad. The last one I want to talk about is UserFeel. This is another one I just signed up for this week, but I've heard great things about it. UserFeel is very similar to Enroll and user testing. You have to go through a certification, they'll give you a sample test, and then you become a certified tester. They also ask for your demographics so you can be more qualified for certain studies over other ones. You have to remember that there's a lot of people competing for these tests, so to say. It's like a game, but by being on different websites, you have more control and flexibility over how many tests you can take. So I really think that all of you should sign up for these 6 testing websites to make some extra income while you're trying to grow your own business. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have ever used them or if you have any other suggestions to share within the community. Let me know, and I look forward to sharing another video with you. Enjoy! Bye guys!